Hi, I'm Marta and this is the third episode about the rebuild of my DR350S. The last time when I was trying to start the engine, I've discovered there is no spark. So in this and few next episodes, I will focus on DR electrical system. I found there is no connection between the ends of the spark plug cap. You should keep in mind there is no direct connection between those ends. There is a resistor, in my case 5 kilo ohms. So now I will replace the plug cap. First I'm getting rid of the old plug cap. The plug cap should generally hold on the wire much tighter than mine. So I cut the wire with a rotary tool by about 1 cm. Next I'm putting back a rubber sealing on the cutted wire. Here you can see a comparison between the old and the new end of the spark plug cable. I used a ball-ended hex wrench to make a hole in the copper core of the cable for the self-threading cable connector. Finally, I screw back the plug cap. Remember to put back all the rubber sealings on the cap. After mounting back the ignition coil with the new cap, it turned out there is still no spark. So unfortunately I will look for more problems in the electrical system of my patient. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed, leave a like and stay tuned for the next videos documenting DR rebuilding.